Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Abhilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I have started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada. I also share my daily analysis on the currency pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, USD Japanese Yen and many more. So in this video, I'll be recommending 5 stocks for 22nd March 2021. So this analysis is for 22nd March only. I'll be coming again tomorrow with the analysis and stocks for 23rd March. Okay. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis and stock recommendations. So the first stock for today is, yes, you can see the name on the screen. It's TD, Toronto Dominion Bank, one of my favorite stock. We all know that the trend of the stock is very strong. It's in very beautiful uptrend. There is no doubt about it. Okay, and we can see that the last traded price of TD is 82.42. Okay, so what should be our strategy then? As the trend of the stock is towards the upside, clean, beautiful uptrend, very good stock for your portfolio as an asset. Okay, so what do we need to do then? Strategy is this. Okay, so you can see that in the last trading session it has made a hammer pattern with price rejection from below, so we will look for buying opportunity only. Okay, so the price that we need to look for is 83. Okay, 83, and our target price will be 83.7. okay, so buy above 83 for a target of 83.7. okay, it has made a hammer with good price rejection from below. Overall the trend of the stock is up, so good luck. So the next stock for the day is BNS, Bank of Nova Scotia, another beautiful stock with beautiful uptrend. Okay, for Nova Scotia you can see that there is a daily support available at this level, 78.45 level. There is a good support for the stock, and you can see that the stock has tested the support on the last trading session, and ultimately it goes above the daily support, which is a very good sign and a clear indication that the support is still valid. The support of 78.45 is still valid and good. Okay, therefore two price levels. Okay, two price levels for BNS. First is if you get the stock, suppose after opening, if the stock comes towards the downside and you get the stock at 78.45 level, okay, then just try to understand the market psychology. If you see that from 78.45 level the stock is trying to bounce back, the stock is getting the support, okay, and it is about to move up, you can buy at 78.45 level. Okay, another level, another buying level for the stock is this is the level. Okay, 78.75. okay, and what should be your target then? Target is this, the price rejection. Okay, target is this, 80. Okay, so target is 80 because from 80 level on Thursday the price has faced some severe selling. Okay, there was severe selling at 80 level, so 80 is your target. Okay, so buy at 78.45 level if you get the stock, or above 78.75 level for a target of 80. Okay, so the third stock is Brooklyn Asset Management. Okay, for Brooklyn Asset Management you can see that there is a support at, let me take this line. Okay, there is a support on the daily chart at 56.25 level, 56.25 level. Okay, and the stock is really respecting the support. Okay, previously it was a resistance. Okay, but stock has made a big red candle. It broke the resistance, and ultimately the resistance has become the support now, and the stock is respecting the support. That's a good thing. Okay, so in case the stock the last traded price is 56.64. Okay, last traded price is 56.64. Okay, in case the stock comes down and you get the stock near the 56.25 level. Okay, if you see that the stock is trading at 56.25 level, just try to understand what is going on. If you see that the price or the market is providing support to the stock at 56.25 level, grab it. Okay, just grab it at 56.25 level. Okay, on the other hand, if stock goes up, okay, then stock goes up, then buy the stock at 57 level. Okay, this is another stock, another buying position. Okay, in case there is a gap up opening, wait for 15-30 minutes. Okay, and just observe the price. If you see that after 15-30 minutes the stock is trading comfortably above the 57 level, grab it. In case there is a breakout during the market session, okay, again wait for 15-30 minutes. If you see that after 15-30 minutes stock is trading comfortably above 57 level, grab it. Okay, for Brookfield Asset Management, these two are the price levels that you need to keep your eyes on. Okay, so the fourth stock is AC, Air Canada. For Air Canada, you can see that there is a daily support at this level, 28 level. Okay, 28 level. Okay, the stock tried to cross the daily support, daily resistance. It hit the resistance, but it failed to cross the level. But there was some good price rejection from 26.6 level. Okay, therefore you may get a buying opportunity above 28 level. So in case there is a gap up open above 28 level, wait for 15-30 minutes. If you see that the stock is trading comfortably enough above 28 level, grab it. In case there is a breakout during the session, okay, I'm telling you this opportunities because there was a good price rejection. Okay, so in case there is a breakout during the session, okay, and you see that yes, it has crossed the 28 level, then wait for 15-30 minutes, let the resistance become the support. Okay, let the resistance become the support, then only you should go ahead and buy. Okay, so 28 is the level that you need to keep your eyes on for AC, Air Canada. And the last stock for the day is CSU Software. For CSU, we can see that the last traded price is 1703. There is a resistance at 1721. Okay, and you can see that on daily chart it has formed a spinning top or a doji kind of a pattern. Generally, this kind of pattern indicates that there is an indecision going on in the market, and there is a support or resistance also which market failed to cross. Therefore, there is a good opportunity that market may go down. Whatever, if you get the stock below 1690 level, okay, if you get the stock below this level, short the stock. In case you get the stock above this level, okay, then you can go for a buying opportunity. But remember, confirmation is very important. How will you get the confirmation? Wait for 15-30 minutes, just observe the stock. If you see that, if you're shorting the stock, just look for the selling pressure. If you see that selling pressure is high, easily you can short the stock below 1690 level. If you see the buying pressure is high, buy above 1722 level. Okay, but if you see that the stock is trading between 1722 or 1690 level, I'm in this range, just avoid the stock. This is your no trading zone. Okay, 1722 is the buy price, 1690 is a sell price. Okay, so these are the stocks that you need to keep your eyes on, and you can make money on Monday. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. See you again with the analysis for 23rd March again. And do not forget to subscribe. Bye bye. Good luck.